Now I have closed everything and I'm going to the file. This is an empty file right now. Now go to the file, click on open, or else you can directly use Ctrl+O, that is a shortcut. Now click on Tanya and click on open. So now directly, even after closing, we are able to get the file. How can we get the file? It is because we saved it. We saved it in a specific path. Okay, so that is the reason we can get it back. Okay, so this is a similar way. You can create a new file, take a new text document and you start writing. Now how do we train children, especially when they are using keyboard? Especially this is very much helpful for grade 1 and 2. When they are starting writing the sentences and everything, first we should make them what is the use of capital letters, how to go for a next line. Now I am clicking on enter key, so that is the reason it is moving to the next line or the next place, next page also. Using enter key we can go to next page or next line. Of course using tab also we can do this, but for kids, okay, this is the easiest way of making them to learn. Using enter key we can go for a new line. Now see, I am using my backspace to go back. Now I am using my delete key. Now when you are using the delete key, which side letters will get deleted, this is also very important. There is a difference between delete key and backspace. Please understand that. Now I want to write my complete sentence in capital letters. So what key do we use? Welcome to my class. I am using caps lock to write the whole sentence. Okay, to write the whole sentence in capital letters, I am using my caps lock key. Now I want to write only the first letter, so let me keep the caps lock same again. Now again click on the same caps lock key and start writing. There is one more way of writing, that is share the information. Okay, now I want to write the letter I in capital letters. Instead of using the caps lock, use your shift plus the specific letter which you want to get in the capitals. I repeat once again, usually whenever you want to write anything in the capital letters, we will prefer caps lock, but there is one more way of selecting a particular letter in caps lock, that is using the shift key. Use shift plus that specific letter which you wanted to get in capital letters, click on that letter. Now release the hand, information. Now we got it in small letters, rest everything is there in small letters, but we got I in the capital letter. It is because shift plus some other key combination. So this is how you have to do it and save the file. Now after saving, just go to ICT 360 and upload your file. Add the file which you have saved it in your laptop or desktop. Thank you.